After 2 weeks, makakapag-upload na naman tayo ng bagong video sa YouTube channel natin. Another day of gala na naman after so many weeks na wala kaming gala. Binisita muna namin ang manager ko bago kami dumiretso ng Nuvali para makikita yung mga fishes doon. Matagal ko na kasing nakikita yon at nung sinabi ko kay Zia na pupuntahan namin ay sobrang saya niya. Ayan, at kumakaway-kaway pa nung tinawag ko siya. And excited daw siya.
Where are we?
Here at the store.
Yellow Cab.
Yellow Cab.
The
Yellow Cab Pizza, not the public transport.
The Yellow Cab Pizza.
Here in
Here in
Nuvali,
Bali.
Santa Rosa, Laguna.
Muna.
Videographer, hindi naman maayos. Kailangan Mommy's beautiful. My beautiful there.
Yes.
It's okay na.
Why are you, what are you excited about, baby?
I'm excited about to eat.
About after we eat, what are we going to do?
We're going to have fun.
Like what?
Like, we're going to watch the fishes, and we're going to rest, and we can check everywhere.
Okay. Baby, no, there's a lot of fishes. I told you, baby. Their colors are orange, white.
There's also red.
Yes. And the combination of white, red, and black. See? Told you.
Yeah. Looks so cool.
Maybe there's a black one there. Oh.
Oh, yeah.
Ang dami doon, baby. Oh, mga fish.
What? There's a goldfish.
Ang ganito, no? Maraming fishes.
Let's wait for the boat to come. That says we cannot ride on the boat.
Kanina umiibabaw. Ngayon ayaw na nilang umibabaw. Umibabaw kayo. Dahil hindi ako satisfied sa kain namin, nagyaya na akong umuwi. Pero sa gala, satisfied syempre.